were fed for free thanks to the hard work of volunteer and community groups here in Morgan City. I'm Anna Fisher, your Iberia Parish reporter here in St. Mary Parish, where I spoke with some of the organizers.
We don't have red tape to cut through. We are boots on the ground. We come in immediately.
Volunteers and nonprofit organizations work together to feed the Morgan City community.
Just about everybody in Louisiana has been affected by a hurricane, so you know what it takes when it comes in and destroys your home.
Rowdy Bro is the founder and chief director of a nonprofit that started in 2005 with Hurricane Katrina.
We got with them with Cajun Navy, and when the water went down, we worked with the Cajun Army, mucking out churches, and we started our own called Cajun Cooks.
On Saturday morning, Cajun Cooks made 847 spaghetti plate lunches for those in need.
It's a joy. I mean, we could do this from sun up to sundown and love every minute of it. It ain't for sissies.
More recently, we've been doing distribution sites, and we've been doing a lot of community feeding when the disasters happen.
Cajun Army team lead Sandra Keene says she was happy to partner with Cajun Cooks, local Boy Scout troops, and Disaster Assistance Church of Christ to help feed the community of Morgan City.
They were so grateful. They're so grateful. This is a hard-working town. These people, they appreciate everything the help that's coming in. They really do. Now, a reminder that Morgan City is no longer under that dusk to dawn curfew. If you'd like to give back to communities as they recover from Hurricane Francine, visit our website at katc.com for more information. Reporting in St. Mary Parish, I'm Anna Fisher, your Iberia Parish reporter, KATC TV3.